Hi there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. Today I'm coming on to show you my promo video for my February online class. This class is using the Honeybee bundle from the Stampin' Up mini catalog that goes from January 3rd till I think June 3rd. When I first saw this Honeybee stuff, I just knew I had to have it. And that I wanted to do a class on it. So I thought it would be fun to make it one of my online classes. Each of my classes I give you two kind of 3D items or gifty items and 3 or 4 cards. This one has 3 cards plus a custom envelope. It has a tea light box and it has a gift card holder. So let me start by showing you this cute little tea light. I'll take this, I'll turn this on. This back in there. This is my little tea light holder. This is similar to the lantern I did, I think, a few months ago using the silver glimmer paper. I did it for one of the Magical Christmas collab videos. This is just so fun using the honeycomb die and the little honeybees, the big honeybee, and then you can see that I used one of the dies for my sentiment on here. This is a gift card holder, and again I used the die for the sentiment, and I've stamped and cut out the elements. I have gold glimmer paper in the back, and it opens like this, and then your gift card slides in and out right here, and more stamped and die cut elements. And then this gift card holder has a cute little envelope that's made specifically for it. The gift card holder is kind of thick, so the envelope is 1/4 of an inch thick. And I think I'm going to put Velcro maybe on the back. I haven't decided yet. But the gift card holder goes right inside here. Isn't that fun? And then I have this card. I had to do a shaker card with the bee stuff. This is using the snow globe dome that was in the holiday catalog that ended, but the snow globes and the die set carried forward. And again, I've used this bee die set for my sentiment, and the inside my shaker is cutouts from making these honeycombs, and also some of the some spring sequins that we have in our annual catalog. I also wanted to show you that all of these pieces are cut out from the designer paper, which is really cool. On this project and this one, I stamped them and then die cut them. They look almost exactly the same, and I'll show you the papers in a second so you can see how you can die cut those. This is the second card. This is they call it a Dutch fold card. So the bottom opens like this. The top opens like this. I've used their beehive. And this one, I stamped and die cut these elements. And then I again used some of the pieces from die cutting here to add into this designer paper. And then this last card is my favorite. This is not what it was going to look like when I started, but once I got going I really liked it. So I'm using the Noble Peacock foil and cardstocks. So underneath is just the foil, one of each color, and then on top is the printed cardstock for the Noble Peacock, and then I also added the Noble Peacock rhinestones, and this is the inside. And for this one I made a custom envelope. So this is what it looks like on the front. I've again added that, and because it's busy paper, I've added this white piece from the stitched labels dies, I think is what it's called. And then this is the same paper as this envelope, it's just reversed. So the packet will include the paper to make this envelope, and the cards always come with envelopes, but it will include that. So those are the projects. Let me show you the paper. I love this paper, so I'm going to open an unopened pack. Sorry for the noise. Okay, this is the paper. This is the one that you can die cut, the bees and the flowers, which is very fun. And then the back side is this fun stripe. This is gold honeycomb, which I've used in the background on the shaker card. And the back of it is more bees and beehives. These don't fit the dies. This is black with a gold honeycomb pattern. And then the back side is just little lines. And this is the gold. These bees, these big ones, can be cut with one of the dies, and these small ones can be. There's also smaller ones on here that can't be, but this paper is really fun with all the elements on it. And then on the back, it's a little honeycomb pattern. And then there's this really elegant gold and black foil stripe. I really like this. The back side of it is just little flowers, and this is what I've used on the sides and front of the tea light holder, the little lantern. And then there's this gold diagonal dotted stripe, and the back of it is just the flowers. And these flowers also can be, part of them can be die cut using the matching dies. So here's my purchase options. This is the bundle, the honeybee stamp set, and then the die set. I've added a magnet into my case because I really don't like the way they come on tape. Option 1 is going to be the bundle, plus the packet of all the paper supplies you need to make all these cards, a tutorial in PDF, and then a video showing you how to do this, and possibly a couple other things. Not all the details, but showing you how to do a few things. And then you'll get a free item, which will be the Mango Melody set of Stampin' Blends, light and dark, and that's what I use to color all these places that I've colored. And if you do option 1, which includes the bundle and all of that stuff, you'll also get this designer paper for free. This is a celebration item with a $50 purchase. You can get this for free, so this will come with your bundle. If you choose option 1, which is the whole bundle, it will ship to you in 2 separate parts. The reason for that is that shipping 12 by 12 paper is difficult and very expensive, so the bundle and the paper, and the Stampin' Blend markers would ship to you directly from Stampin' Up. I would order them to ship out that way. And then the paper pack, the cardstock pack to make everything, would come to you separate. Let's see. Option 2 is just the stamp set, plus the packet of supplies to make everything, plus the Stampin' Blends and the tutorial. And option 1 and option 2, option 1 is $60 plus $8 shipping. Option 2 is $30 plus $8 shipping because of the stuff I'm putting into it. It needs to go in a flat rate envelope. Option 3 is just the packet and the tutorial. So what you would receive in the mail is just the supplies to make these projects, and then the tutorial would come to you via email, and you also get the video. Option 4 is the tutorial only. Option 3 is $17 plus $5 shipping. Option 4 is just the tutorial, and that would be all via email. Nothing would be sent to you, and that's $12. And then if you're a member of my team, of my downline, if you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator who has signed up under me, there are 2 options. Option 5 is the packet and the tutorial, and you get a discount because you're part of my team, so it would be $12 for the packet to be sent to you plus $5 shipping, and then the tutorial only for my team is $5. I really, really love these projects. I think they are so pretty, and it's kind of funny because when I started, the only thing I knew I wanted to do for sure was this, the lantern, and the rest of it I really had no idea. I didn't want to copy things other people have done, so I did go find the gatefold, the Dutch fold card, how to make a Dutch fold card, because I hadn't actually done one of those before, but all I had to do was look at the picture and I figured it out. And the gift card holder I designed from scratch. The other projects are all just out of my own head. So there will be a link below to my blog where you can go over to make your purchase or to choose your option for this honeybee online class. It is so fun, and you're just going to love all these projects. They're just so pretty, and they're much prettier in person than they are on here. So head over to my blog to make your choice. If you would like to receive a set of catalogs in the mail from me, you can let me know that either by comment in the comment section below, or you can send me an email. I'll put my email address in the description box below also. And if you'd like to join my team, this is a great time to do that, because during the celebration time when Stampin' Up! Is offering these free products, they're also offering some really fun incentive things. And the incentive it's really cool. So this is the celebration catalog, which I really love. And the incentive is they have this cute little paper trimmer, and I'll pull it out and show it to you. And you get a sample packet of 6x6 of all the different papers in the mini catalog. And then you also get an additional stamp set of your choice, any stamp set in any of the catalogs, which it's a great deal because you pay $99 for the starter kit. You normally get just $125 worth of product with free shipping. During celebration, they've added in all these extra things, so it makes it like a $250 value, something like that. It's amazing the stuff that you get just for $99 and free shipping. The starter kit is always the best deal in the catalog because of how much you get, and that you don't have to pay shipping to receive it. And here is this cute little paper trimmer. This is what it looks like. It has a 4 1/4 inch bed by 6 inches, so it's really nice for cutting 6x6 papers or anything smaller than that. And it's got this plastic shield that actually holds down the papers when you cut them. So head over to my blog and choose your option. Leave a comment below if you want a set of catalogs. Let me know if you would like to join my team. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.